Hey everybody, this is Anna. It is September 18th, Sunday night, 2011, and I have on the screen the ES Mini S&P Futures Index. And as you can see, we still have this bear flag here on the daily chart. Okay, we've come a long way from the lows though. So we've come all the way down. We got to 110.77. And now we're pretty much in this pattern as of right now. So that's where we're still within this consolidation phase. Now, I will say this, that we probably are, we're going to have probably some weakness for a couple of days, being that if you go over to the 4-hour here, you can see how it's gotten to be a bit extended. Okay, the MACD, the stochastics, and they're pretty extended to the upside. Definitely on the 60, which is showing as well. And you can see this clear divergence here on the oscillator where it's starting to fall down as the price continued higher. So that's what we have there. Now, I'm not sure exactly how this is going to all end up. Nobody does. And if they tell you they do, they're just lying to you. But, you know, it's possible we come down here, we test some more, a couple lower levels, go back up. We're still in this range, just in this range for right now. So that being said, we're going to move on to crude oil, because this one has a much better looking chart to trade off of. On the 60, it looks like a little bit bounced, but I'm going to show you something on the daily chart. The daily chart looks very bearish to me. I mean, you got this divergence here on the oscillator, you got the stochastics pointing down, your histogram looks like it wants to roll over, and also a nice bear flag here, much tighter than the ES is. So I'm actually looking for around 85.21, possibly even 82.28. It's not a given, but that is the possible targets that I am looking for. Okay. So let's move on to gold, of which again I am bullish. To me, gold pulls back these big amounts and then the people just dive in to buy it. Now, you got a little bit of divergence here in the 15, but we aren't scalping the gold trade here. Getting sort of oversold to a point on some of the indicators here. Okay, but still, if you look at the larger pattern, we should come up to around 1860, maybe even break out to the upside as possible. Okay, it put a bottoming tail in here. Now it's on the move back up. A little bit of bullish divergence here on the lower indicators. On the 4-hour, you can see it really looks good for a push up here, up into, I would say, it looks like we're putting in a bull flag here now. So the next level I'm looking at is around 1828. Oh, it's almost there. 1836, 1839, and 1844. I'm fairly sure within a day or two that we're going to be up in this area. It could be tomorrow. Okay, there's your bullish divergence. You can see the pink lines. That means it's negative, but diverging to the upside. Okay. Now, I think if I look at a smaller time frame, I'm probably going to see a bull flag forming here on it. I don't know if it's been open long enough to do that. Let me see. Let's see what that 30 looks like. Yeah, we're probably putting in a bull flag. If we haven't put one in yet, we're probably going to. But that being said, we're going to see some volatility around that as well. So yes, I am to answer a question. I am long the GLD. Okay. Now, I'm also long Apple, although it probably will pull back here a little bit, but you can see the bull flag that Apple put in here, and I'm pretty confident that we're going to see it really start to push up here soon, okay? It'll work it off in the short term, but then I think it pushes higher. I think we see 440 before we see 360, okay? Now, that's not a given, nothing is. Now, I'm going to show you something as well. I'm still short RIM, a few contracts on the put side, October put side, and that's about it. So I just want to let you know that I am going to have a free webinar starting next Sunday. That will be the 25th around, I'm thinking it's going to be at 6 o'clock at night. So it will be Sunday the 25th, no, September 25th, 6 o'clock at night. I'm going to be going over option strategies, and technical analysis, and any questions that you might have. So if you would like, I'm going to, if you would like to join or you're interested in attending the free webinar, just click on the banner that talks about the free webinar, and that will be up on the site, up in the upper right hand corner, and just fill it out and let me know. You need your name, email, and to keep you updated with the latest webinars that I'm going to be doing from now on, and anything else that is new that's coming out, or some special alerts. So that being said, have a really, really great night, and if you have any questions, info@hotoptionbabe.com, and also if you need anything, just let me know. I'm happy to help, and have a happy, healthy week. Thanks a lot. Bye.